Welcome to Education and More's video on About the Class for preparing to learn Python 3 at a snail's pace. In this video, you'll learn what this class is all about. First, it's going to be material that's going to be in my book that comes out in the year 2021. That's my guess. I'm hoping 2021. Okay? I titled it Learn Python 3 Programming at a Snail's Pace. Python 3 so slow, even middle school students can learn Python 3 well. The class materials are going to be on my website. I will provide the website address during the first programming class. That way you'll not only listen to my videos, but you'll also have some material to look at on the website. Absolutely free. I'm experimenting with different payment modules, but I really wanted to help as many Filipinos as possible, as well as other students from other countries. And I got the feeling that not many students could afford any kind of payment whatsoever. So I want to try this by putting it on YouTube. But in order for me to keep it absolutely free, I'm going to need tens of thousands of students. Now, since it's absolutely free, I'm hoping this will be easy. But the only way this is going to happen is if I have your help. So what do you need to do? You need to post on your Facebook or whatever you have and tell all your friends about this class. But not only that, but ask them to post on their website. Get it out all across Philippines. Okay? That way I can keep it free. Because, if I don't get many students, then I got to go back to charging. And I don't want to charge. I want to keep it free. That would be great so that everybody can learn, get a great education, get great jobs, and improve themselves. That's my whole goal. Now, on Thursdays, once you start getting some, quote, serious programming assignments, I will offer homework help online. I'll tell you how to access that. I will have a small fee. It won't be much, just a small fee, but it's totally optional. You will not have to, take my Thursday's class, okay? If you can't afford it, no problem. Even if you can afford it, if you don't want to go there, not a problem, okay? I'm just going to offer it in case you want some extra detailed help from me, okay? You're welcome to help each other, totally free. I encourage that. Always help each other, okay? I'm just giving this option in case you prefer to have me help. I'll start it at about, say, 6 o'clock, and I'll run it all night long until midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. It doesn't matter to me, okay? I'll have just a small fee to help pay for my time, okay? But again, totally optional. You'll not be pressured at all. But you get what you put into it. You can't be some of these people who watch a video and say, okay, I watched the video. I now know how to program Python. No, it doesn't work that way. Sorry. You got to do the homework. I know nobody likes doing homework, but that's how you're going to become a great programmer. And the more homework you do, the better chance that you will get a job quickly. Because the more homework you do, the more you're going to remember and the more efficient that you will become. The more efficient you become, the more that other companies will want to hire you. And don't forget, I will want to hire you. Okay? So please do the homework. Rules. Everybody's got to have rules. But since I'm just doing this on the internet, and you're not in my class to bother me with your talking amongst yourselves, I don't have any rules. Practically, the only rule I'm going to have is do not post a solution on the YouTube page. Feel free to say things like, hey, if you need help, contact me. Okay, that's fine. Don't say, oh, the solution is this. Hey, give everybody else a chance, okay? If you post the solution, I'm going to have to block you. So please do not post the solution. Okay? That is my number one rule. Number two, no profanity. Believe it or not, I grew up without using profanity. Okay? No profanity in the YouTube logs. Okay? Okay. Anything else? Nope. That's the only two rules I can think of. Maybe I'll add some more later on, but right now that's all I can think of. Okay? Now, the future. Let's assume I get these tens of thousands of students and I'm able to keep this free. That's my most important thing. Keep it free. Then I will hire people to help you with other aspects of programming. Okay? I'm only going to be able to teach you C and Python, and of course I can teach math. But, you know, for example, let's say you want to learn how to be an iPhone programmer or an Android programmer or a web developer or a database. I can get you those people to teach you also for free. Assuming I have lots and lots of programmers, students that take my class. Okay? So please help me out. Get everybody you can think of to try my class. Okay? That way I can keep it free for everybody and help you out for many, many years to come. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.